Dr. Rupert Rinehart residing, Assistant Surgeon Santa Claus, Case 12.25.01. We will be trying to find out what is inside Mr. Potato Head from Toy Story 4. First, Mr. Potato Head, let's get rid of this cowboy hat. It sure is a nice hat. Now, Dr. Santa Claus will remove your legs. He won't pull too hard. Now, Santa will remove your sheriff vest. That is a super big shiny star, Mr. Potato Head. Now, Santa Claus must remove your ears. One ear down, two ears down. Now, Santa will attempt to remove your nose. How big your nose is, Mr. Potato Head. Next, the doctor will remove both of your arms. It's okay, Mr. Potato Head. It won't hurt at all. All right, Mr. Potato Head. Now, Santa will remove your lips. You look funny with no lips. Next, Santa will remove your eyes. Oh, what big eyes you have, Mr. Potato Head. Now, Dr. Santa Claus is ready to open you up. He will use his surgical instruments. Wow, what is that? That is so pink and gooey. Ooh, what kind of stuff is this? This looks like pink, sparkly slime. What have you been eating, Mr. Potato Head? Now, with the slime removed, Dr. Santa will see what else is inside of you. Look at that! Wow! It's an ice cream cone. He looks so happy. What will we name Ice Cream Cone? How about Mr. Ice Cream Cone? Next, a good doctor will dig even deeper. What is that? That is a baby elf. Look how cute the baby elf is. What shall we name the baby elf? How about Baby Blueberry? Baby Blueberry Rinehart. You are such a cute little elf. As Santa digs deeper, what will we find next? That looks like a pirate hat. Who wears pirate hats? We need to find out. How very strange. What is that? It's a pirate with a funny mustache and beard. That is so neat. And the pirate hat fits perfectly. Now Santa will dig even deeper. Look at that. I know who that is. That is Yoda. Yoda talks super funny. Yoda, I am, says Yoda. Down you put me, says Yoda. Dr. Santa thinks there's even more. How did that fit inside you, Mr. Potato Head? Do you like eating chicken for dinner? Holy schmolies! Great Christmas time! That whole chicken is stuck inside of you. Pull, Santa, pull. Free, Mr. Chicken. Hey, Mr. Chicken, I'm so glad we pulled you to safety. Mr. Potato Head should start feeling better soon. Now, Dr. Santa will put Mr. Potato Head back together again. First, he will put on his eyes. And next, he will put on his lips. Look at those lips, Mr. Potato Head. They are so smiley. Next, Santa will put back on his big red nose. His nose is big and red like Rudolph the reindeer's nose. Mr. Potato Head, you can't hear very good without your ears. Santa will put back on your ears. That looks great, Mr. Potato Head. The next thing Santa will do is to put back on your pants and your boots. Look at that belt buckle. Yeehaw! That is such a cool belt buckle. Now, let's cover Mr. Potato Head's bald hat. Look at that cowboy hat. Howdy, partner! That is so cool. Now, Santa will reattach both of Mr. Potato Head's limbs. Look, he's all better now. You are such a good patient, Mr. Potato Head. I am so excited I got to help Santa. Say goodbye, Mr. Potato Head.